Hi there! Today we're going to answer the question of, is YouTube a social media? And we'll talk a little bit more about how to use YouTube as a small business. When you think about YouTube, you might initially think of it as a place to watch videos, from cute cats doing silly things to educational content about any topic in the world. But it's not just a video streaming site, it's also a social media platform. How so? Well, on YouTube, you can create and share your own videos, comment on videos, like or dislike them, and even subscribe to different channels. All these activities make it more than just a one-way street. You can engage, interact, and have conversations just like you would on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. So yes, YouTube is indeed a social media platform, as it allows for the sharing and interaction of content between users from all around the world. And that brings us to the definition of a social media platform. What is a social media platform? It's an online service, site, or application that allows users to create, share, and interact with content. It's essentially a digital gathering place where people can communicate, exchange ideas, discuss interests, and even form communities. These platforms typically feature user profiles, news feeds, and various ways of interacting with other users, such as liking, commenting, and sharing content too. That's exactly what differentiates YouTube from Netflix, for example. Netflix is a streaming site where Netflix is in charge of streaming productions made by Netflix itself as a production company or productions made by third-party producers. Those are productions that Netflix buys the right to stream them. On Netflix, users are not allowed to upload their own content. They're not allowed to engage with other users by commenting or forming communities on the platform. So it is a one-way road. The goal of having a social media presence on any of the platforms, YouTube included of course, is to create a community for your brand and build awareness. And YouTube is a gold mine to do so, especially because video content is the most preferred method of communication on the internet now. So how can you build a community for your small business on YouTube? Let's go through that step by step. The first step you should do is to be consistent with your content. So just like you would regularly update your shop's window display or create content for Facebook and Instagram, you need to regularly upload videos on YouTube. This could be product tutorials or behind the scenes peeks at your business, or even just you chatting about topics your audience care about. It's all about providing value and keeping your brand at the top of your audience's minds. The second step is to engage with your audience. So don't forget to engage with your viewers after you upload your videos. Since we already agreed that YouTube is a social media platform, it comes naturally that you must start conversations with the audience. You should respond to comments on your videos, ask for feedback, and encourage discussions. The more you interact with your viewers, the more they'll feel a part of your brand community. The third tip is to make use of YouTube's built-in features. There are so many of those that are unique to YouTube. So you can create playlists of related videos to guide viewers on a journey through your content. You can also use annotations and cards to link to your website or other relevant videos. You can use live chats during live streams to interact with your audience in real time. Or you can use community posts to share updates, create polls, and engage with your subscribers. The fourth step is optimizing your channel and video descriptions with relevant keywords to help people find you. Now, YouTube is not only a social media platform, but it's also the second most popular search engine in the world, and it is owned by Google. So the rules of search engine optimization applies to YouTube too. So you need to make sure that your YouTube channel is fully optimized. This includes having a detailed and engaging description of your brand, using relevant keywords in your video description, organizing your videos into playlists, and you should also include links to your website and social media profiles. That will make it easy for viewers to connect with you on other platforms as well. The last tip here is to collaborate with other YouTubers. Now, teaming up with other YouTubers, especially those with a similar target audience, can be a great way to expand your reach and bring new viewers into your community. Once again, since YouTube is a social media platform, then it only makes sense to use influencer marketing. And you don't have to collaborate with celebrities in order for influencer marketing to work. In fact, many brands vouch for micro-influencers, those who have between 1,000 to 100,000 followers, that they have more credibility and trust between the audience and themselves. So do your research and find out who of the YouTubers will be relevant with your audience, and then contact them for a collaboration. Now, thank you very much for watching that video, and if you have any questions about how to run YouTube as a small business, we would be happy to help you. Just drop us a comment and we'll get back to you.